Hi, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look to go with a green dress. To begin, I took the eyeshadows in the shades called Brownie Points and Taken For Granite, and I mixed these two colors together and applied that all over the lid. These two colors together blended creates the most beautiful light taupey shade. Then I took the eyeshadows in the shades called Clean Slate and also Espresso, again mixed them together and applied it to the crease, and these two mixed together creates a little bit of a deeper taupe shade, which is beautiful. To encourage you to play around with your eyeshadows and mix some colors together because you can really create some unique, beautiful eyeshadow colors that way. Similar to like the lipsticks, you know I love mixing my lipstick colors. Anyway, moving on. So to finish off the eyes, I applied the Lash Project mascara, and I did about 3 to 4 coats of this today, just on the upper lashes, but you could definitely apply it to the lower lashes as well. And I skipped eyeliner, but if you wanted to do eyeliner, I would say that the black or the charcoal eyeliner would be perfect for this. Even actually the brown would be really great too. All of those work really great with taupe eyeshadows. And to finish off the lips, I applied the lipstick in the shade called Gypsy Soul, which is a really beautiful kind of deep brownish purpley red color. And I applied this more like a stain, so it's a little bit softer, but if you want to see what it looks like in its full glory, I'll do a little swatch for you here so you can see that's what it looks like when it's deeper. But I really like to apply my lipsticks more like stains because I just find that it looks really pretty and the color lasts a really long time too. And this is the completed makeup look. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time, take care.